Hello everyone. Excuse me. I am doing the extra credit macromolecules. First section is over carbohydrates. The first question is, what are examples of simple carbohydrates and complex? Well, simple, it's white bread, white rice, potato chips, all that kind of stuff. They're mostly sugar. So basically, they're taken right away, unlike whole products, which are complex. And the complex ones, they are whole grain type stuff. They're healthier for you. They come in fruit, veggies, whole wheat bread, which is probably my favorite bread, and brown rice. I know the teacher had explained that you ever feel tired whenever you eat, after you eat a peanut butter jelly sandwich or a bologna cheese sandwich on white bread. Well, come to realize, whenever I ate white bread, I was so freaking tired. So when I started eating whole grain bread, because that's what I get on my WIC now, as a mother you get that, I'm sure you know, you don't get as tired as much. Well, with complex, they break down one at a time. Let me find where we drew that. Okay, so it's really small. So I'll show you first. Just give me a second. So that's where it is. That's just simple. One's glucose, macromolecule, and that's starch, polymer, breads, rice, pasta, etc. You can see what it does to your blood sugar. So, given in the what happens when there's too much glucose, your blood sugar spikes with brown, eating like that. And low blood levels, with your blood sugar, it'll stay like that. But let's see. Let's go back to what I was reading off. And then it says, what happens when there is too much? What happens when there's too much glucose in the body? That means, basically, glucose uses your body. Your body uses glucose for energy. Any extra is going to be called glycogen, and glycogen will stay in your body. It could be fat if there is too much. Then what happens when glucose levels are too low? The body can have low blood sugar reaction, which is called hypoglycemia. I've seen it firsthand. It can come fast. So it is caused by taking too much insulin, missing a meal, delaying a meal, exercising too much, or drinking too much alcohol. Lipids are the second source of energy. Every cell membrane are made of fats. Phospholipid, I know we wrote a little bit about that in class. They're also known as fats. They play many important parts in the body. They provide energy to producing hormones. You wouldn't be able to absorb or digest food without lipids. Eating more fat can make you gain weight, of course. Proteins are your third most source of energy for the body. And ask, what are examples of proteins and how are they used in the body? Proteins basically is a basic component of living cells and is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. 3 types of proteins I've seen in the book are fibrose, globular, and membrane. Something we wrote was amino acids can make protein, and we made a monomer right there. Just protein. There you go. And then our next question, we were on. Yeah, okay. Where does absorption of the macromolecules take place? I'm just assuming it's all at the top, which I guess is basically, I would say digestion. So, micromolecules are very large, which it says in the book, are very large molecules such as protein, starch, and nucleic acid. I guess the digestion would happen in the mouth, the stomach, intestines. And they're absorbed, I'm assuming through the digestive system and out your body. But that is my video about the macromolecules.